Sleeping through the night can be a huge milestone for your baby and your entire family who desperately needs sleep, but it can be very hard to accomplish if you don't have all the answers handed to you on a silver platter from an expert like myself. I'm about to tell you the top 5 reasons why your baby will not sleep through the night. Starting with number 1 is something that a lot of families don't put enough attention to this detail, is your child's sleep environment. Yes, it has to be pitch black. The whole theory that your baby needs to learn how to sleep in any environment because I don't know, what, are they gonna sleep at a party somewhere someday? No, they're not. They're really not. They need to sleep in a dark, quiet room with white noise only. We're not playing lullabies. We're not playing rainforest sounds. Your kid's not in the rainforest, okay? They came out of your womb, which was whooshy and loud, which is what we're gonna replicate with the white noise. So if you don't have that sleep environment set up, then grab the links in the description box down below to check out the Blackout Easy window covers and my favorite white noise machine. You definitely need to have white noise consistently playing all night long that doesn't loop. Anything that has that looping noise is going to stimulate your baby's brain and wake them up more than help them sleep. The next thing that is probably keeping your baby from sleeping through the night is inappropriate wake windows. Now, if you're not new to my channel, then you know that I talk about wake windows all the time. Your baby's wake windows, your baby's schedule, these things are all huge. It's going to make an impact because your baby is either undertired, doesn't want to sleep all night because they slept too much during the day, or they're overtired where they're not getting enough sleep within 24 hours and they can't self-soothe because they're overtired. So if you're unaware of what your baby's wake windows should be, grab my free baby sleep guide in the description box down below. You can print out my wake time chart for your entire first year of your baby's life and then some, and you will know exactly how much sleep your baby needs and how many naps a day your baby needs as well. There is so much great information in the baby sleep guide. There's literally no reason not to get it. It's free. The next reason why your baby is not sleeping through the night is because their naps are probably crappy. Maybe your baby's naps are too short, maybe they're too long, or maybe they're a bad quality of nap because either you're having them nap on the go and that's not restorative sleep, or they don't have a proper sleep environment so they can't connect their sleep cycles because they can't fall back asleep once they wake up and they're trying to fall back asleep, but it's too bright in their room, so then their brain is triggered to wake up and they can't fall back asleep, and then it's just an endless cycle of not going back to sleep. So we need to make sure that your baby's nap time sleep is in a good place so that they can sleep during the day as well, because it's just a vicious cycle. If your baby is sleeping like crap during the day, they're going to sleep like crap at night. But sleep promotes sleep. So if they're sleeping well during the day, they can sleep well at night. You would be surprised how many parents tell me that, well, I thought that if I just kept her up later and didn't give her that last nap that she would sleep through the night, when it's the complete opposite. You're making your child overtired and therefore not sleeping well at all, and they're waking up so much more often, and you are going to have to assist them back to sleep over and over and over again. So kind of going along with the daytime sleep, it's really important to make sure your child is not sleeping too much during the day, because any sleep during the day that is too much for their age, then it's going to take away from the amount of sleep that they're going to have overnight. So definitely refer to that wake window chart, because it will also tell you how much day sleep your child needs and how much sleep they need in a 24-hour period, so you can mesh the two together and figure out exactly where your problem lies. Now, the next thing is, I would like to say obvious, but maybe it's not obvious to everyone, but your child's sleep prop associations. So 9 times out of 10, babies who aren't sleeping through the night are waking up and needing assistance to get back to sleep because they have reliant sleep prop associations. Maybe this is rocking, maybe it's bouncing on those freaking exercise balls. If you're one of those parents, I don't know how you do it. 4 o'clock in the morning, we're bouncing on an exercise ball, great for your abs, terrible for your sleep habits, and terrible for your baby's sleep habits. So let's ditch all of those sleep props, teach your baby how to fall asleep independently at bedtime so they can fall back asleep in the middle of the night and self-soothe. So now, under all of these different things that you may be doing wrong, what you can do right is provide your child with consistency. Consistency is literally the key word in my entire life. It's the key to my business and with sleep training and helping other families sleep train their babies, they need to be consistent so their babies learn expectations. When I go to the gym, I know I need to go consistently so that I can work on my bod. This is my mom bod and I'm proud of it. 3 kids later, and I'm very passionate about going to my classes at the gym because I know my body needs the consistency. Same thing with the food that you're putting in your body. You need to eat healthy consistently, and of course you can have some treats, indulge in that, but the way that you put your baby to sleep at bedtime and for naps and all the times consistently is what they're gonna need in the middle of the night. So if you're not doing it right at bedtime, you're gonna have to do it wrong all night long. So you might as well rip the Band-Aid, sleep train your baby, and get on track. Now, if you need help with this, that is what I am here for. I write individual step-by-step sleep plans for my families that I work with, and I am going to support you the entire way. So if you need a one-on-one consultation, I want you to go down to the description box, set up a free call. Let's just hop on the phone, see if we're a good match, because your style and my style, we need to match because that's the way it just needs to be. Don't forget to grab the free baby sleep guide in the link down below. Click this button right here to subscribe to my channel and keep blooming. Mwah!